We're currently in a laundry shop near Padre Paula. So this is the urbanized way of washing clothes. This is a very good business, no? Wash and dry. It has ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, no? 22 machines. And you have a lot of waiting customers. So per load, they have minimum of 8 kilos, no? Wash and dry, and it's worth 150 pesos daw. So wala na yung livelihood ng mga labandera natin. So this is the procedure, washing procedure. Kasama na pala yung dito, kasama na yung detergent, no? So these are the ano ba to, waiting or for pick up na laundry. So instead of waiting for yung laundry mo, no, to be delivered after few days, you have to wait. I don't know ilang minutes pa to, no? This is the first time that I accompanied my daughter in this wash and dry. This is very good business, no? Kasi I think this is 24 hours. LG Laundry Lounge. Parang 150 pesos, no? While you wait.
Ilan ako ng drink sa 7-Eleven. Do you want?
Okay, sige.
Ang drink mo?
Gatorade. Ayan. So you have more than 30 people waiting. So at any point in time, no? Sabihin mo 30 to 40, so mga 5,000 pesos every ilan to? Every 15 minutes, 5,000. So in 1 hour they can have 20,000. So 24 hours is, tama ba? So kaya sabihin mo 10,000 per hour times 24 hours, 240,000. 5 to 6 million per month. Of course, overhead. Kahit nakalahating overhead, owner can earn 2 to 3 million per month. So magandang business to, ah. Talo pa yung mag-abogado ata ito. Kasi the waiting time, oh, mabilisan, oh, turn around. I heard 24 hours pa ata ito. With all those condo, staying at the condo. Normally, hindi ko kasi alam na meron palang ganito. My daughter is the one delivering the laundry, and sometimes I do the washing sa condo. But here, no, mabilis. And so this is really good business. In the Manila area, daming mga condo units here. I'm sure you have several shops, no? Wash and dry shops around. Okay, signing up.